Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. Well, I'm not making any power. I'm getting a late start. Been working on the YouTube channel all morning. We got a little help from Nick Nimmons. Got a couple subscribers out of a super chat. So, I got the trusty broom, and it's time to sweep them off. I have another little solar panel out here that's not connected in at the moment. But that'll be 5 right there once I bring it around and connect it. We got 5 bigger ones over there, 13 on the front. And the 3 I got for early Christmas, they are still in the house. So this is what we do. Now someday we're going to have, I'll get the lumber here, hopefully here pretty soon. I got to get some Rain-X, but the lumber is going to be for solar arrays. That would be really nice, but I got to have them. I got to figure out how I'm going to do it so they're not too heavy for when I find a homestead. So that'll be going here pretty soon. I don't know if I can afford it just yet. And I got to tell you, my electric bills, I don't normally pay them on time. I don't have to. The last one came in not too long ago, and that was $90 for 2 months. So, just as you know, they're pretty low. So the one was just under 35. The newest one came in was 50. So here you go, DIY solar power, redneck style, kinda newbie style. So when I make the solar arrays, I'm gonna make them so they're at least 2 foot off the ground. So when I sweep the snow off, it's got somewhere to go, because it just builds up down here. So when you get your solar, yeah, and the leaves too. So when you get it going, you know how to do it better than what I started out, because I get busy with a lot of things. I got the YouTube channel. There's another, I got the fitness stuff going on. I got a garage gym, which is going to end up in the basement, this Planet Fitness. I'm not even going to try to mess with the solar pool heater this winter. Matter of fact, that solar panel is over here now. I'm going to get that free electricity. Alright, I just thought I'd give you an update. But I don't have a clue what happened to that wind generator the other day. I'll be up there, maybe give it a week. I still got some time off prior to the holidays. Alright, just thought I'd show you how I dust off the solar panels and have a nice sunny day.